How to fix iMessage pictures not showing or loading. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to fix iMessage pictures not showing or loading. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So the first thing we need to do is we need to make sure that our airplane mode has been disabled. So just swipe up to your control center and make sure to click on this right here if it is enabled. As you can see, mine is not enabled, so in that way it is already fixed. But however, if that doesn't fix your issue, what you need to do is you need to test your connection. So just head over to a browser that you have, and then head over to a new tab and just search in here for speed test. Then after you have searched for here, just click on this run speed test right here, and then this will run the speed test. And if your speed is actually fast, and then that means that doesn't the problem. So the next thing that we can do is we need to head over to our settings, then scroll all the way down until we can see messages right here. So click on messages and make sure that iMessage right here is enabled. If it is color green, that means it is enabled. If that is not yet enabled, then please enable that. Then after you have done that, you need to also make sure that this send us SMS is turned on. So in here, you can also just head over and enable MMS messaging. So to do that, you can just head over and just search in here and then just search for MMS. It is on the cellular right here, and if you don't have a SIM like me, it won't actually appear to you, but if you have a SIM, then you can enable that. Next thing we need to do is you need to update and restart your device. So just click on the power button on your iPhone, and then after that, just update and restart your device. And then your iMessage picture should be showing now. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix iMessage picture not showing or loading. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks.